the truth.
You already know, man. It's Phantom here, and I'm back. I'm back on them GTA mods, man. You already know. Grand Theft Auto San Andreas mods, man. You already know, man. On some new shit, man. Like, look at this turnt mod, first-person mod. I wish there kept hot. I might even, if I had the time, I might make it myself, like an aim down the sight mod, and then release it and see how the public reacts. But for right now, at the time being, look at that shit turnt, but still. And shout out 53 Soundy. And also, I'm looking for people to play with online on this game. Like, I might just create a private server and we can all play like with subs, anything. Like, I'm looking for people who really would like to play online on this game. Like, this game is so freaking fun, dude. Like, first person mode included. Like, come on now. Like, and then this whole, like, the reason the reason the thumbnail has 973 mods in it is because all of the mods that I have in this game, I ain't even done with my mods yet, but I'm working on it still. Like, I just have, like, you know, these mods like animation mods, CJ mods. I had a GTA 5 online character mod, but hey, fuck that shit. And I got a couple, I only got like one gun mod installed. I only got that ACR mod. Adaptive combat rifle. Any fucking way. Back to this fucking game. This game is so fun, dude. Like, it's not even about like the missions. Like, people don't even play this game for the mission no more. Like, the mods just make it fun. Like, look at this whole game. Like, I just have fun playing this like by itself. Just like straight sandbox. That's basically what it is, straight sandbox. But anyway, like, really I was just talking about like how this mod like is. I might make a tutorial on this mod. In my next video, I might make like check on my crib or something, cause I got a nice house on this game, cause the houses are modded and they look like some cool ass shit, dude. Like, this shit's so freaking fun, bro. Like, I don't know what else to say about it. Like, come on now, like, for real, turn shit, man. But yeah, and I got a lot of animations. Like, I'm gonna like go out of first person here to show y'all this animation. Like, look at this animation. That's that GTA 4 falling shit. But then, yeah, that shit happened at the end. But anyway, I hope y'all guys like enjoy this video and like this little intro video. Like, 'cause these mods are amazing. And like, if you need a tutorial, just like let me know, cause I will do a tutorial if people need help. Like, reason I'll be doing tutorials because this stuff be easy, but still some people need help. Just the world we live in. But I'm back to what I'm doing. I ain't doing nothing but just fucking around right now, running around. I might install some new animations, I don't know, but like I'm about to see, like, just go climb up over here if I can climb. This fence looks a little too high, I don't know. Yeah, it's a little too high, but I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna get out of here somehow. I might just go run back up there. I like the run animation though. Like, look at the run animation, it's fluid. Like, it reminds me of the GTA 4 animation, but not as like, the GTA 4 animation was more fluid though. Like, it seemed real, like you can feel him running, like, even though you're using like a keyboard and mouse. And this is a dark area. Like, the lighting good, because in real life that's probably what that area would look like around this time in like California type area. But right now I ain't doing nothing, just playing around, you know, keeping it G. But yeah, that's basically what this mod is. Oh yeah, and what I'm trying to do, if y'all see the thumbnail, because I'm going to use this clip I'm about to look for a good angle and take this picture, take this flick for my man CJ for that thumbnail. Look how good that shit look. Look at the helicopter coming in with that glare. Thumbnail moment right here. 3, 2, 1. Thumbnail moment, bitch. But anyway, yeah, this Phantom signing out. Love you guys. Peace.